Welcome to FxPro. In this video, we'll guide you through the simple steps to fund your account quickly and securely with zero fees from FxPro. To begin, log into your FxPro account either via the FxPro Direct web platform or the FxPro mobile app. Once logged in, you'll have access to everything you need to manage your funds. Next, navigate to the Deposit section. Here, you'll see a range of funding methods available, each of them with zero fees from FxPro. From bank transfers to credit cards, e-wallets, or local methods, choose the option that works best for you. Once you've selected a funding method, simply enter the amount you'd like to deposit. Double-check the details and then confirm the transaction. Your deposit will typically be processed within 10 minutes of being received. It's fast, secure, and hassle-free. Once the funds are in your FxPro wallet, you can either allocate them to a specific trading account or keep them in your wallet for future use. That's it. You've successfully funded your FxPro account with zero fees. Now you're ready to start trading. If you have any questions, our support team is available 24/5 to assist you. Thanks for choosing FxPro and happy trading.